Kid here, and today I'm going to show you how to change the sound of your keyboard on your school computer. So there is this program called Mech Vibes, which basically allows you to change the sound of your keyboard. So this is the one I have on right now. And you can select a bunch to change your keyboard to. So like this one. And this one.
There it is. That's it. That's what she's starting to look like her.
So I'm gonna just put on the one I had equipped. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to download. So what you wanna do is you wanna go to Chrome. Yes, I use Chrome. I don't like Microsoft Edge. And you're gonna wanna search Mech Vibes. And this will pop up. So you don't wanna click this because this website is blocked. That's the official website. That website is blocked. So you want to scroll down and go to this one. And this isn't blocked. Alright, disclaimer. If this doesn't work for you and this website is blocked, it's because I go to Jamesboro Middle School. And if you go to a different school and it's blocked, then you know why. Because like you go to a different school than me. And at my school it's not blocked, but at your school it's probably blocked. So just a disclaimer. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to click the download button. And it'll say your download will start shortly. And then what it's going to do is it's going to start downloading the setup. And the setup is just what's going to use to set up the program. So you're just going to let that download. And it's going to take you to this. Thank you for downloading Mech Vibes. And what you want to do is you want to open it. And it's gonna, that's just because I have it already. And then it's gonna pop this up. So it's installing. So you can close this website out. And it's installing. And then boom, it's installed. Now, I already have it installed. So it just went to the one I have installed. So you can choose from all of these. You can choose what volume you have it at. And yeah, that's how to change your keyboard sound on your school computer. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
This pie was $1.57. Like this.